Alright, let's see how many eggs we got today. Oh, it's 2 right there. Watch out, Butter. 2 eggs. Whose eggs are these? Bobby egg. Yeah, also a Bobby egg. They look 2 different colors though for some reason. Wait, is this a Bobby egg? Hold on. No, okay, got a Bobby egg and a Goku egg. What the fuck's going on up here? Alright, another Goku egg. This one looks bigger. The eggs back here. Oh my god! This is where they've been laying all the fucking eggs. Give me those damn eggs. Give me them fucking eggs. Oh my god. Just try to squeeze through here. Give me the eggs. Hello, baby. Oh, I'll refill this in a minute. Don't worry. You side the camera? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me turn the flashlight off. 1 egg. Oh, shit, this is a spatch egg. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's cracked. How'd it get cracked? Oh, wait, that's just a hair. Got any eggs for me, Nugget? Oh, you do. 2 eggs. All right. I appreciate the eggs. Well, it looks like we got 10 eggs.